Hi guys, and welcome back to Learn Yoruba in one day. In this video, we will be tackling time. And when I say time, I mean we're going to journey through time from its smallest form, a day to a week, to a month, to a year. So we're going to run through from second all the way down to year. So that is the essence of this video. So first off, what is time in Yoruba? Time can be said in three different ways in Yoruba, depending on the context. So we have time, igba, àsìkò, àkókò. So we have igba, àsìkò, àkókò. Do, mi, do. Àsìkò, do, do, do. Àsìkò, igba, do, do, igba. So these are the three different ways to say time in Yoruba. Time means igba, àsìkò, àkókò. So now we're going to measure time from second all the way down to year. I don't know if I have enough whiteboard for that, but we will see. So we have second, minute, hour, day, week, month, and we have year. We're going to run through second to minute to hour to day to week, month, and year. So second in Yoruba is ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, àáyá, dòmímí, dòmímí. Ìṣẹ́jú, dòmímí, dòmímí. This is the hardest part of Yoruba, putting the accent on it, because if I don't put that accent on it, as you've seen from other videos, you will pronounce it a different way. But if you already understand the language and you don't need the ami, you can easily just speak it, making the right sound of the ami. It's in written Yoruba that you have to put the ami on it. Minute is ìṣẹ́jú. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá is smaller minutes. So minutes is ìṣẹ́jú, but then second is ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, which is smaller minutes. Hour, you have wákàtí. So that's mi, do, mi, do, mi, wákàtí. For day, you have ọjọ́, ọjọ́, remi. For week, you have ọ̀sẹ̀, dodo, ọ̀sẹ̀, ọ̀sẹ̀, do. For month, you have oṣù, oṣù. So that's redo, oṣù. Year, you have ọdún, ọdún, ọdún. So in Yoruba, second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year is ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, ìṣẹ́jú, wákàtí, ọjọ́, ọ̀sẹ̀, oṣù, ọdún, ọdún. If you want to understand time very well, this is how to say time. So if you remember the numbers from the numbers video, and if you don't know the numbers, you can just click the top right hand corner of your screen to watch numbers. I just want to use the numbers now to illustrate how you would say or use these words. So you have second is ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, minute is ìṣẹ́jú, hour is wákàtí, day is ọjọ́, week is ọ̀sẹ̀, month is oṣù, year is ọdún. So if you go back to the numbers video, I'm guessing some of us have gone to the numbers video, come back here. So let's use numbers 1 to 5, for example, and just play around with these. So 1 is ọ̀kan, 2 is èjì, 3 is mẹ́ta, 4 is mẹ́rin, 5 is márùn. So you can say ìṣẹ́jú méjì. So that's 2 minutes. Méjì is 2. So ìṣẹ́jú méjì means 2 minutes. Wákàtí méjì is 2 hours. Ọjọ́ mẹ́ta that will be 3 days. Ọ̀sẹ̀ kan. Okan is 1, so that's ọ̀sẹ̀ kan, 1 week. Oṣù mẹ́ta, 3 months. Oṣù mẹ́ta, 3 months. Ọdún méjì, that's 2 years. So now, remember in the other video when I was talking about ownership and pronouns, where the object is being claimed by the subject. So what you have here is ọdún méjì, but in English you have 2 years, but in Yoruba you have year, then how many of those years? So it's the year 3, year 4 of it. Year, you have 2 of it, if you understand what I'm saying. So ìṣẹ́jú àáyá mẹ́ta, 3 seconds. Ìṣẹ́jú àáyá mẹ́wàá, that's 10 seconds. So you have second is ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, minute is ìṣẹ́jú, hour is wákàtí, day is ọjọ́, week is ọ̀sẹ̀, month is oṣù, year is ọdún. So now I want to do something. I don't know if I have enough whiteboard for that, but there'll be a separate video to cover and tackle, days of the week, and to also tackle months of the year. But now I want to see if I can run through the number sequence of things, because obviously 60 seconds make 1 minute, and then 60 minutes make 1 hour, and then 24 hours make 1 day, and then 7 days make 1 week, and then 4 to 5 weeks make 1 month, and then 12 months make 1 year. So what we're going to have here will be, that'll be 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour, and then 24 hours make 1 day, and then 7 days make a week, and then 4 weeks make 1 month, and then 12 months make 1 year. So I'll see if I can translate these to Yoruba. Let's see. So I'm going to try and transcribe this into Yoruba. So we have ọgọ́ta ìṣẹ́jú àáyá. Àáyá will give us 1 minute. That will give us ìṣẹ́jú kan. And then when you have 60 minutes, so that's ọgọ́ta ìṣẹ́jú will give us, so ọgọ́ta ìṣẹ́jú, 1 minute, 60 minutes will give us 1 hour. So that will be wákàtí, remember, 1 kan. So 24 hours will give us 1 day. So you have 24 hours. Will give us 24 hours, give us 1 day. So that will give us ọjọ́ kan. So 7 days will give us 1 week. So ọjọ́ méje, ọjọ́ méje will give us ọ̀sẹ̀ kan. Ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́rin will give us 1 month. So 4 weeks will give us 1 month. Ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́rin will give us oṣù kan. Yeah, and then oṣù méjìlá, that's 12 months. Méjìlá will give us 1 year. That's ọdún kan. So we have 60 seconds give us 1 minute, 60 minutes give us 1 hour, 24 hours give us 1 day, 7 days give us 1 week, 4 weeks will give us 1 month, 12 months will give us 1 year. And then in Yoruba, ọgọ́ta ìṣẹ́jú àáyá, 60 seconds, will give us ìṣẹ́jú kan, give us 1 minute. Ọgọ́ta ìṣẹ́jú, that's 60 minutes, will give us 1 hour, will give us wákàtí kan. Then wákàtí mẹ́rìnlélógún, that's 24 hours, will give us 1 day, which is ọjọ́ kan. Ọjọ́ méje, which is 7 days, will give us ọ̀sẹ̀ kan, which is 1 week. Then ọ̀sẹ̀ mẹ́rin, which is 4 weeks, will give us oṣù kan, which is 1 month. And then oṣù méjìlá will give us ọdún kan. So just so that you can marry the time with the numbers, make sure to watch the numbers video. Description will be in the description. Link will be in the description to watch that video, or you can click the link in the top right hand corner to watch that. So that's it for time in its measurement in the Yoruba language. Thank you for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.